Hello friends, this is your friendly visa consultant Nigam Shah. Today we have stars from the University of Dayton. Can you just introduce yourself one on one?
Sure. My name is Laura McElrath. I'm the Director of Campus Admissions for U Dayton Global.
And I'm Laura Bistrick. I am in the School of Engineering at the University of Dayton.
Okay, so I have a couple of questions for you because there are a lot of international students is asking about the Dayton University. First of all, what are the best program in the university? If you can just give brief information about that.
We have almost 100 different majors at the undergraduate level. We have amazing programs. Some of our best programs are in the School of Business. Our School of Business is fully accredited by the AACSB. It's an excellent, high quality program. We have in finance. Students have the opportunity to manage the university's investment portfolio, so they get hands-on experience in managing over $80 million worth of investments for the university, and they've been highly successful. We also have a top 35 entrepreneurship program. All students in the program get hands-on experience starting up their own business while they're in the program, as well as the second largest student-run business of any university in the United States. So our business program is highly ranked. Our computer science program is probably one of our most popular programs. The student success rate. So after students graduate in the computer science program, they have a 100% success rate, meaning 100% of the students find job placement or are admitted into a graduate program within 6 months.
Within 6 months?
Within 6 months.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, fantastic. And then we also have a highly ranked School of Engineering, and I'll let my colleague from the School of Engineering talk about that.
Yes, our engineering programs are ranked number 52 at the graduate level by U.S. News and World Report. Highly ranked programs, great education. Popular programs at both the undergraduate and graduate level include our engineering management programs, our civil engineering programs, and our computer engineering programs. We have our own dedicated co-op and internship office with a specific representatives that works with our international students on CPT placements as well, and have relationships with hundreds of companies.
Okay, so if we are talking about 100 plus companies, can you just give me the few name of the companies?
Yes, we've had international students work at Apple, at Tesla, more locally at Copeland, and many companies within the city of Dayton, the state of Ohio, and throughout the United States. A lot of students are working both in Chicago and New York as well.
Okay, so as far as this is concerned, what about the fee structures for the University of the UG and for PG?
So we have very affordable fee structures, or we have excellent scholarships available. So at the undergraduate level, the fee structure is around $50,000 US dollars per year. However, we offer amazing scholarships up to $30,000 per year for all 4 years. So first, second, third, fourth year, over $120,000 total in scholarships. And our graduate program fees are very affordable and average around $30,000 to $35,000 for the entire program, 2 years.
Okay, but I have heard that there are a few students or 1 or 2 students get the 100% scholarship. Can you tell me more about that same?
Yes, absolutely. We're so excited. This is a brand new scholarship that we're introducing this year for a highly qualified student. We are offering one full tuition scholarship for all 4 years. So yeah, we're
so
very
that is
excited.
only applicable for UG, not for PG, right?
Yes, that is only for UG. Yes, correct.
Okay, that's great. Apart from this, what are the basic eligibility for the university where students can apply for the Dayton University?
Eligibility is a 3.0 CGPA, and at the undergraduate level, IELTS of 6.0, and at the graduate level, 6.5 IELTS.
6.5. Okay. And what about PT or TOEFL, or even, are you accepting Duolingo as well?
Yes, we do. So at the undergraduate level, we accept a Duolingo score of 100 and 110 at the graduate level.
Oh, that's good. So all exams are acceptable.
Yes,
if we can
TOEFL,
consider
PTE, all of the
TOEFL.
exams. Yes.
Oh, that's great. Apart from this, there are a lot of many students are asking the questions. You have new government elected, and what is this a benefit for Indian students, or it is not good for the Indian students? and what are the future prospects of the students after completion of what they are eligible for H1, because I think we have recently got the news that they are allowing green card as well after the studies, something like this. So what is your answers into this?
Yeah, I know there's a lot of news out there, and a lot of the news may seem negative, but the reality for us on campus is we have not had any problems with students. We still have good visa success rates for our students. The University of Dayton has a good visa approval rate. And so we're still seeing students coming and getting their visas. And we also help support with that. So our office helps to give students information and also helps them to prepare for their visa interviews.
Oh, that's great.
So they can be successful with that. And then we haven't had any issues on campus with, there's stories about some universities removing funds. We still have maintained all of our research funding. And so there's still a lot of opportunities. Students, even at the undergraduate level, can get involved in research at the University of Dayton, and we are an R1 institute, so we have a high level of research funding, and that has not changed with the new administration. And then after graduation, we're seeing students being very successful. I mentioned before, we have over 1,200 students who are currently on OPT right now.
Oh, wow.
And even undergrad students who are getting internships and co-ops also, and are doing CPT without any problems. The important thing I would say for students is anywhere you go, there are going to be regulations and rules that you have to follow. So the main thing is to stay within those regulations. There are rules to follow for work authorization.
True.
So, and we have an ISSS office that works very closely with students to make sure you stay in status, that you're doing all the things that you're supposed to do. And as long as students are doing that, we haven't had any problems.
Okay. So again, the other questions, what about the government, policies for the international students?
So there are rumors that they are going to remove OPT and some things like that, but that has not happened. That has not changed. There have been no travel bans. There's no change to OPT or H-1B status right now. So I know that that's out there, but that has not
So I can consider that is just a humor. There is a no, because as per your university's concern, you got almost 100% CPT for the students will get the CPT out of that, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, and I have a last questions. What are the special benefit which we can give it to the international students as far as Dayton University is concerned? Is there any application fees waiver for time being, or we can give something extra scholarship to the students for next intake, summer or spring intake? Is there anything which we can announce right now for the international students?
Well, there is no application fee for our students, so it's totally free to apply to the university, and that's always true. And again, just the scholarships that we have are very generous, and we would encourage students to apply sooner, because sometimes our seats fill up and we run out of seats. So I would encourage students to go ahead and apply, and you'll have those wonderful scholarships available. The sooner you apply, the more money is available to give also.
That's always there. So thank you so much for the wonderful insights for the international students. Thank you so much. This is Nigam Shah, your friendly visa consultant, signing off. Nigam Shah. Thank you.